Welcome to Mathematics Online Lecture Series by Professor K.V. Narasimhan, Vector Calculus, Lecture number 15. Results on vector operators. Vector operators are gradient, divergence and curl. Already we discussed in our last class. Just we recall the definitions, then go to the next topic. Okay. I will write here. So what is gradient? Gradient of I equals to sigma I dou phi by dou x. Already known. Divergence of f equals to sigma I dot dou f by dou x. This is also known. Curl f equals to sigma I cross dou f by dou x. So now we will use these three definitions. We will prove important identities one by one. We will prove this problems. First question. Find the divergence of f if f equals to r power n into r bar. Find n if n is solenoidal. If n is solenoidal. Now first, what is r bar? R bar equals to xi plus yj plus zk. This is known. Small r equals to modulus of r bar. This is square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Now r square equals to, from this one, r square equals to x square plus y square plus z square. This is also known. So dou r by dou x equals to x by r and dou r by dou y equals to y by r. Dou r by dou z equals to z by r. Just we recall the few definitions, then go to the actual question. Now dou r bar by dou x equals to I. Dou r bar by dou y equals to j. Dou r bar by dou z equals to k. Okay, just we recall all these important results. Now we will prove the solution. How to prove this one? So here find divergence of f. What is given that? Given that f equals to r power n into r bar. Okay, first we will find the divergence, then we will discuss the second part. What is the divergence of f? Okay, divergence of f equals to, divergence of f means sigma I dot dou by dou x of r power n into r bar. Now try to understand the methodology. Very simple technique. Try to understand this technique. Sigma I dot, differentiate using UV formula. R power n into dou r bar by dou x plus r power n derivative is n into r power n minus 1 into r bar into dou r by dou x. Just here we are applying UV formula, derivative of UV. Derivative of UV equals to, derivative of UV equals to u derivative of u dash v plus u into v dash. Using this property, first r power n into derivative of r power plus r power n into derivative of r power n is n r power n minus 1 into dou r. Now this is first one. First step is just apply sigma notation. In second step, find the derivative using UV formula. Now third one is, what is dou r bar by dou x? Just we recall the definition value. Dou r by dou x equals to I. Sigma I dot r power n into I plus n into r power n minus 1 into r bar into this quantity is dou r by dou x equals to x by r. Now this is the next step. Now next step is find the dot product. Here I is vector, here I is vector, here r bar is vector. Now I dot I equals to 1 plus here n into r power n minus 1 by r is n minus 2 into I dot r bar. So what is the r bar? R bar equals to xi plus yj plus zk. What is I dot r bar? I dot r bar equals to x. Now this is also important observation or result. Now I dot r bar equals to, I will arrange this one right. I dot r bar equals to x. Already x is there, x square. So this is very simple. So now try to understand. First step, apply sigma notation. In second step, find the derivative using UV formula. In third step, substitute the values dou r by dou x and dou r by dou x values. Now in terms of dou r by dou x is I, dou r by dou x is x by r. In next step, multiply the dot product with I and etc. Okay. Now expansion of this summation. Now this is divergence of f. What is the expansion? First term is r power n plus n into r power n minus 2 into x square. Now second term is just replace x by y. Remaining terms are same. In third term, r power n, just replace y by z. N r power n minus 2. Now, here r power n, here r power n, r power n, 3 r power n. Plus, in the second term, n r power n minus 2 is the common term. X square plus y square plus z square. Now already we discussed x square plus y square plus z square equals to r square, this property. Using this property, 3r power n plus n into r power n minus 2 into r square. Now simply here r power n minus 2 into r square is nothing but r power n plus 3. So what is the quantity? Divergence of f equals to, what is the value? R power n into n plus 1. This is 1. Okay. And also in the second question, first question is already completed. Sorry, this is wrong. If f is solenoidal, find n if f is solenoidal. Find n if f is solenoidal. Since f is solenoidal, what is the meaning? Divergence of f equals to 0. What is the divergence of f? Already known, r power n into n plus 3 equals to 0. So r is square root of x square plus y square plus z square is not equal to 0. Then what do you say? N plus 3 equals to 0, since r power n is non-zero for all values of x, y, z and n. Okay. Now this must be r equals to minus 3. So what is the conclusion? Hence, n equals to minus 3 if f is solenoidal. F is solenoidal. Now very simple question. Try to understand the methodology. So simple techniques. First step, second step, third step, fourth step, then expansion, finally simplification. Okay, I will explain one more question, then we will get the concrete idea. This is first question. Okay, now second question. Now this is the simple consequence. Show that R bar by R cube is solenoidal, or suppose if you understand, let F equals to R bar by R cube. If you observe the previous question, what is the previous question? Divergence of R bar into R power n equals to R power n into n plus 3. If you observe this one, n equals to minus 3, so if you compare this problem and this one, n equals to minus 3, then what happens? R bar by R power, divergence of R bar by R cube. So n equals to minus 3, this must be 0. This is the simple consequence of the previous problem. Okay. So this one is solenoidal is nothing but divergence of this is second part is divergence of R bar by R cube equals to 0. All are same. Okay. I will prove this result just for understanding. Divergence of F. Sigma I dot dou by dou x of R bar into R cube. Using UV formula or U by V formula. Dou by dou x. So R cube into dou R bar by dou x minus R bar into R cube derivative is 3R square into dou R by dou x by R power 6. Here what is the formula? Derivative of U by V rule. What is the derivative of U by V? V into derivative of U minus U into derivative of V by V square. Using this formula, just find the derivative. Sigma I dot, here R cube by R power 6 is 1 by R cube. Dou R by dou x equals to I. Here R bar into 3 into R square by R power 6 is R power 4. Dou R by dou x equals to x by R. Now, here dot product with I dot I equals to 1 by R cube. Here I dot R bar equals to x, so already 3x is there, 3x square by R power 5. Now expand 1 by R cube, 3x square by R power 5. Now second term is 1 by R cube into, just replace x by y, y by z, 3 z square R power 5. Here 1 by R cube, 1 by R cube, 1 by R cube, 3 by R cube minus 3 by R power 5 into x square plus y square plus the second term. This is nothing but R square, 3 R power R cube minus 3 by R power 5 into R square. Now 3 by R cube minus 3 by R cube equals to 0. Then what is the procedure? Divergence of F equals to 0. What is divergence of F? Here F is R bar by R cube. Then what do you say? Hence R bar by R cube is solenoidal. Okay. Very simple question. Both are similar questions. Okay. So in the next class we will discuss about the curl of R power n into R bar. So here we discussed the divergence of R power n into R power n into R. In the next class we will discuss about curl of R power n into R bar. Okay. I will stop here. Okay. I will stop here.